done yet? Save the drama for someone who buys it.
You made that just for me?
Yes. I know tomato's your favorite.
Mom, I made you some soup. If you drink it, it'll make you feel better.
Oh, you're so sweet. Let's see.
That's the best soup I've ever tasted.
If you like it, I'll make it every day for you from now on.
Oh, I'm so lucky.
We were too nice to you. And somehow you just want to keep competing with our real mother.
Don't worry. I'll be out of here soon. You won't have to see my face again.
Let's go.
Guess there's no room for me in this house anymore.
Welcome back, brother.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Mr. Williams, is it true there are still no volunteers for the Rose sleeping program?
The whole world is watching. Any updates?
Mr. Williams, how is the program going?
Sorry, this experiment is extremely dangerous. People over 50 can't participate.
Well, actually, it's 3 days until my 50th birthday.
Fine. Once you enter the chamber, it's 30 years. There's no guarantee you'll wake up. Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes.
You're about to vanish from everything you know. Are you sure you're not leaving anyone behind?
No.
All right. Sign here. We'll pick you up in 3 days. Rose Williams? You're the CEO's mother.
Well, we've been working on this program for 5 years. We've actually named it after my mother, Rose, and it will change the future.
Your son will lose his mind if he knew you volunteered.
No, he won't.
Come on. Everyone knows your 3 sons love you very much.
That was before. My children died shortly after birth. Meeting them in the orphanage gave me the courage to live on.
Thank you for being our mom. We're forever a family. From now and always. Mom, don't be afraid. We will always be by your side from now on.
Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Woo! We love you, Mom. Happy birthday.
Our mother came into our lives like an angel to raise us. We're always gonna be by your side.
And in this world, no one loves you like we do, and no one will replace you in our hearts.
The happiness didn't belong to me. That dream ended 2 years ago.
Oh, we finally found you.
I promise that we will make up for everything you suffered.
No matter what happens, Mom will always protect you.
I'm just their foster mother. That happiness, it was never really mine to keep. Now I'm just paying the price.
Bitch! Why don't you just leave? I'm their real mother.
Marina! Hey, here. What? Guys, what's going on?
She pushed me! You slipped, I was trying to help.
You shouldn't have been our mother for these whole 12 years.
How dare you punish our real mother? You're just a foster mom. How dare a foster mother touch her?
Rowena probably has pneumonia now.
How can you be so cruel? If you ever touch her again, I will never think of you as a mother.
We still don't have any volunteers, but the reward will be generous. Now that's all the time I have, so thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Your death certificate. From this point on, your records are sealed. Not even your family will know.
Thank you.
You only have 3 days. If you change your mind, call me.
The last 3 days are enough for me to say goodbye.
You should be resting. We were supposed to take you in for a checkup.
Oh, that's so sweet of you, honey, but I don't want to slow you down. I don't want to be a burden.
Don't say that. You're our mom. We would drop everything for you.
3 days to my 50th birthday. Might be my last. Oh, no, not now.
Wait, hang on, is that Rose? Rose!
Oh, my throat. It's killing me.
What's going on? She having another episode? Drive! We need to get her to the hospital. Rose is just putting on a show.
Oh, my throat. It hurts.
You done yet? Save the drama for someone who buys it.
Even if I vanished completely, you wouldn't even blink, would you?
Hey, Mom. Don't scare us like that again.
I'll bring in the best doctors from all over the world. You'll be okay, Mom. I promise.
This is on me. I should have been paying more attention.
Ethan. Michael. James.
Mom, don't cry.
You're really here.
Mm-hmm.
Grace.
Miss Rose, hi. Here, I brought you your favorite soup.
It was just a dream.
Thanks. You know, having a concussion is a really big deal. You should tell the boys the truth. Especially after what Ethan said to you.
Please, let it go.
It doesn't matter anymore.
Michael! James! Over here, quickly!
My babies.
Oh, wrong room. Rowena's next door. What? What is it?
Come on, Rowena's waiting.
You guys used to be so close. Are you really thinking of volunteering? James has been working on this for 5 years. It's the least I can do. But it is risky. Please. Please, just promise me you won't tell anybody. Sorry. I'm feeling sick today, but also feeling so lucky because my 3 sons came to visit me. And they're the ones who taught me how to live stream so I could document all the happy moments.
Hey, Ma, you need to eat up?
You made that just for me?
Yes. I know tomato's your favorite.
Mom, I made you some soup. If you drink it, it'll make you feel better.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Let's see. That's the best soup I've ever tasted.
If you like it, I'll make it every day for you from now on.
Oh, I'm so lucky.
I feel so loved. I told them not to come, but they just wouldn't leave me alone.
You're our one and only mother. Of course we came.
I'm the eldest. I get to sit in the front with Mom. You've been here last time. It's my turn.
I can't see, so I should get more space.
Boys, stop arguing. Let's all walk to school together. Come on. Come on, Michael. Get in here.
I feel so loved, and it's a great honor to be the person that they cherish most.
So that's it. I was just a stand-in all along.
Hello?
Mr. Williams, we found a volunteer.
Wait, we have a volunteer now? After 5 years of looking, we finally have one. Well, who is it?
Mr. Williams. I'm afraid that the volunteer is. You made the call to keep the volunteer information sealed, even from yourself.
Okay, yes, rules are rules, but the family, they got their certificate, and we handled everything, right?
There was no family, sir. Volunteer was elderly and alone.
An elderly, alone person. I need to go check on Rose.
Wait. Rowena's our mom. She's still sick.
It's okay. I'm used to being alone, so why don't you go check on Rose? She needs you more than I.
Look, Rose raised us for 20 years. She's family, and I think we have to go check on her.
Fine. I'll come too.
Fucking bitch!
28 years ago, I never imagined I'd have a family. My babies, they disappeared as soon as they were born. And then I met them and I thought, life can actually be good. But even the sweetest candy turns toxic when expired. No, please don't say that. If I could take it all back, I would have never been their family.
So what? We ruined your life?
Boys.
I told you guys we shouldn't have come.
Unbelievable. I mean, what else do you want from us? You're not a biological mother, and we've treated you well enough already.
Oh, come on. Say it. What did you mean? What do you mean? What did you mean?
Stop it! She has done more for all three of you than anyone else.
Grace. Please. I was rambling. I'm sorry. It's fine. You already hate me anyway. One more reason won't change anything.
Michael, the cornea transplant was a match.
Are you serious?
That's fantastic, man. You're gonna be able to see again.
Well, Rose, I guess I don't need you to be my eyes anymore, so don't you say that again.
Don't be afraid. I'll be your eyes. Good. You can see more of the world from me. Can I ask for one more favor?
Absolutely. What is it?
Don't hit my corneas. But wait a week.
Well, that's two good things today, so don't let anything else get you down.
Two good things?
The Rose Sleeping Program finally found a volunteer. In 3 days, we're gonna have a huge banquet.
They forget. That day is also my birthday. If they knew the volunteer was me, would it matter at all?
You're gonna be there, right? It's named after you.
Of course.
Son. Whoa, this must be a surprise gift for your birthday. See? They do still care.
Mom, look, this necklace can open. Mom? when we grow up, I'm gonna buy you that necklace, and we're gonna put a picture of our family inside of it.
Sweetie.
What? It's not for me.
Hands off! That is my necklace. Keep your grubby little hands off it.
Who said that you could touch Rowena's things?
I'm sorry. I thought it was meant for me.
You really just believe everything in this house belongs to you.
I was stupid to believe all your promises.
You know, on second thought, if Rose really wants it, let her have it. I don't deserve it.
Nonsense. It's just a necklace. Even if it was the whole collection, I would buy it for you.
Are you serious, Rose? You're making a fuss over a necklace?
Let's get one thing straight. This house doesn't revolve all around you.
To be honest, you should probably clean it and apologize to Rowena.
So, Mom, what did you wish for? Tell me and I'll make it happen.
I can't tell you. It won't come true.
Come on, Mom, tell us.
Okay, fine. I wish that we'd always stay together, just like this. I'm the only one still holding on to that dream. They've moved on. They're the real family.
I'll clean Ms. Rowena's necklace.
No, Grace, I'll do it. Sorry.
Enough. Just don't let this happen again.
There won't be a next time.
Thank you, James. Oh, look. Oh, our family pictures inside. Don't we all look so happy?
If you still want one, I can get you this.
Thanks, but I won't be needing it anymore.
You are just our foster mother! We were too nice to you. And somehow you just want to keep competing with our real mother.
Don't worry. I'll be out of here soon. You won't have to see my face again.
Let's go.
What the hell? Who moved my things?
Oh, Rose. I haven't been feeling very well lately, and the boys said I could crash in here for a bit. You don't mind, do you?
You gave her my room?
Your room does have the best lighting, and Rowena is in recovery, so we thought it'd be best.
She's sick, Rose. Don't be difficult.
Difficult? Since she came back, I haven't fought her on anything.
Are you seriously starting this right now? She's going through hell. It's just a room. Let it go.
Fine. I'll leave.
Oh, wait, sorry. I don't think you know this about me, but I'm a bit of a germaphobe, so I don't like people touching my things.
So where am I supposed to sleep?
Well, you can take the guest room. It'll only be for a couple nights.
A couple nights. I won't be here more than 3 anyway.
Oh, let me help you.
I've got it.
Sir, the guest room is cluttered and the lights are out. It's unlivable.
Then fix it. Now.
Grace, it's okay.
I'll help you. You're just the foster mother. Did you really think you could compete with me?
Look, we renovated the whole house for you.
This is our surprise to you, our dearest mother.
Oh, I love it. Guess there's no room for me in this house anymore. Buddy?
Buddy?
Why didn't you tell us that you were scratched?
You guys were all so busy. I didn't want to bother you.
Come on.
Has anyone seen Buddy?
You've got some nerve mentioning that mutt after he attacked Rowena.
He wouldn't hurt anyone.
Yeah, right. If I find him, I'm gonna teach him a lesson.
Ethan, you brought him home. You know he's not like that.
People change. So do dogs. Maybe it's better if he just stays missing.
Everything changes, even the ones who once cared the most.
When I find him, I'm taking him with me.
Guys, did we maybe go too far?
I'll go check.
Come on.
Buddy? Buddy, where are you? Come on, buddy. Buddy! Oh my god! Buddy! No! Buddy! No, buddy.
Oh, buddy. Now you know my dirty little secret.
You did this.
You killed him! Help! Help!
Rose, what the hell is going on?
She killed Buddy! No, I didn't! That's a lie!
Is your Alzheimer's disease flaring up again? What do you mean? You haven't seen the dog? Fine, whatever. I'll buy you a new one.
Guys, it's freezing out. Let's go inside.
Things will never be the same.
Who is this?
Mom, he is so pitiful. Can we give it a home today?
Oh, you are the sweetest little angel in the whole world. Okay, sure, we can keep him.
Yay! Yay!
What do we name him?
Let's name him Buddy.
Yes. From now on, we have a new little family member. His name is Buddy.
Buddy. My boys have changed. Please don't leave me too.
She's still out in the rain. Why is she being so stubborn?
It's because you hurt her bad, man. I've never seen you do that before.
It's because of that day.
Baby, you're awake, thank goodness. I got here just in time.
When I was trapped in the fire, Rose, who had raised me for 20-something years, she abandoned me. In Rowena, she saved my life. I guess that bond between a biological mother and her son just can't be broken.
Yeah.
Don't be scared, buddy. I'll be there soon.
Whoa, whoa! Mom? Mom? Mom, is that you? Mom, wake up!
Hey, look, guys, Mom's awake.
Am I dreaming again?
About yesterday. I messed up. I'm sorry, Mom.
Are you hurt anywhere else?
Here.
You always said you wanted a family photo to put in that necklace. So now all we're missing is the photo. And at tonight's banquet, we'll take it.
So you do know what today is?
Of course. It's our big celebration day. It's Rose's sleeping program launch day.
What was I even hoping for? No way they remembered my birthday.
What's this?
Miss Rowena's asthma is acting up.
Here we go again.
I'm fine. Go check on her.
After the banquet, I'm going to get you a pup, just like Buddy.
Not this time. I'm tired of waiting.
There he is, Mr. Williams.
Thank you all for coming out and celebrating the success of the Rose Sleeping Program. Let's give a round of applause. Now all of the credit goes to the anonymous volunteer who made all of this possible. Let's raise our glass to her. Now on to the big news of the night. My brothers and I, we finally reunited with our biological mother, Rowena. And I am so proud to announce that we are renaming the program to the Rowena Sleeping Program.
James, there's no Rose in this family anymore.
Wait, is Michael actually blind?
Of course he is. Michael, I fixed you a drink.
Coming.
He's your son. Do you actually want to go through with this?
My son.
Michael, be careful! Michael?
Michael! Oh my God! You okay? Rose, what the hell? You pushed him?
Rose?
You were about to bump into the champagne tower. I was trying to pull you away.
You liar. Everyone saw what you did.
Okay, enough. Today is about celebrating family. Let's just drop this.
You don't believe me?
Why would Rowena call me over if there was a champagne tower in the way? And besides, you really risk your safety to save me?
You know I would. I always would. Michael!
Mom, are you okay?
I'm fine. Don't worry about me.
You're bleeding.
I'm always going to protect you, okay?
But never again. Head's pounding. Concussion relapse. Where's my pill?
Rose, look, I didn't mean that.
Please. Drop the act. After tomorrow's surgery, Michael will be able to see again, and your little antics won't work anymore. How do I get you out of the family?
Hey, Mom, what's going on? Are you okay?
Have you lost your mind? You're trying to kill her now? Why did you become like this?
I need my pills.
Oh, cut the drama. What disease could you even have?
Apologize to Rowena.
Ethan, stop. There's something wrong with her. Stop.
What? What's wrong with you?
Oh, I didn't realize you were actually sick.
What are you planning now?
I told you. I want you gone. You should have heard Buddy screaming how...
Bitch, I'll kill you!
Mom, are you okay? What
James,
are you doing?
help me. She tried to kill her.
Rose stabbed her.
Oh, James, help me.
You fucking heartless monster! Is this your way of getting revenge?
It's not what it looks like. I know you won't believe me because you never do.
We cared for you all these years. How could your jealousy be so intense?
James, please.
You're no longer one of us. You're out of this family.
No, Ethan. She's still our mom, okay? Just let her apologize.
No, I would forgive her.
I'll just leave. Maybe I was never meant to be one of them. Maybe this is how it ends.
Bro, stop. You're just being dramatic.
You're gonna walk out on us?
You're leaving now. Fine. Then you're no longer our mother.
You got what you wanted, Ethan. So, my birthday is also the day I say goodbye to my 3 sons.
Wait, guys, are we seriously just gonna let her go?
She's got no one else but us, so she'll come back when she calms down.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, but Ethan, what you were doing to her was just too extreme.
You're right. I lost it, but
she won't stay mad at us for long, right?
Mr. Williams, do you still want the family photo?
Hi. I've been waiting for you. It is your birthday. I made you a cake.
Somebody still remembers. Thank you, Grace. Thank you for everything. For always staying by my side. I have something for you. This is everything I've saved. I want you to have it.
No, I cannot take this.
Grace, take it. And make a good life for yourself. I love you.
Guys, I found a time capsule. We can put some small notes and things inside. Good idea. I'll write first. Don't forget me. Best mom in the world. I'll always love you, trust you, be by your side.
We cared for you all these years. How could your jealousy be so intense?
James, please.
Thanks for being my eyes, Mom. You made my world bright on.
I guess I don't need you to be my eyes anymore, so don't you say that again.
Our family will never be apart.
You're no longer one of us. You're out of this family.
I'm the only one who remembers those promises. So let our memories stay here, where they belong.
I mean, Rose is a part of our family, and we can't have a family photo without her, so we have to wait till she returns.
No, why are we waiting for her? I mean, we're a family. I'm your mother.
But don't say that. You and Rose are still our family, both of you.
look, Mom. It took us 10 years to find us, but we still love Rose.
Okay. I get it.
Rose has been taking care of us for over 20 years. I mean, without her, we probably wouldn't even be here right now. She's still family.
And Rose always wanted a family photo with us, and she could never get one. It's been 20 years, so we're gonna wait.
Wait. What day is it?
It's September 6th.
What? No. This is Rose's 50th birthday.
We said all those horrible things to her on her birthday. I have to go find her.
Michael, come. Wait for me.
Babies!
Congratulations, Rowena. Looks like there'll only be one mother in the Williamson family now.
Well, I worked really hard to get here, and nothing will stop me.
If they knew Rose was their real mother and you were the fake one, how devastated they would be.
And they will never, ever find out, because then their little hearts would be broken.
Guys, it's so late. Where could Rose have gone?
James, drive faster.
Mom?
May your future shine brightly as stars. I won't burn in you anymore.
Thank you for being our mom. We're forever a family. From now and always.
You're no longer one of us. You're out of this family.
You're gonna walk out on us?
Would you really risk your safety to save me?
"20 years of being a family. 20 years of love. Or even now.
Grace! Grace!
Sir?
I told you to get this room ready. Why is this light still busted? You know Rose is terrified of the dark.
Ms. Rose isn't afraid anymore.
That's not true. Rose always sleeps with her nightlight on.
James? Michael, Ethan? Where are you?
Mom, the power's out.
Mommy got scared.
Mom. It turns out Mom is afraid of the dark, too.
It's okay, Mom. We'll always light the way for you.
Sweeties. I love you.
Grace, tell us what's going on right now.
Ever since the last time Ms. Rose went to the loft, she hasn't feared darkness anymore.
The loft?
Why would you do that? Rowena comes up here and cleans the loft with you and you lock her in.
You made her sick.
No, I didn't.
Well, I believe that maybe she didn't do it on purpose. Maybe she just forgot. It is a sign of Alzheimer's disease.
Wait, Alzheimer's?
Well, James, you do know that I'm a medical professional. I hope you would trust my judgment.
Don't believe her. I don't have that.
Well, what do we do now?
Well, she is in a very vulnerable state, the poor dear. So I think the best course of action is we lock her someplace safe and secure so she can't get out, just in case she has another episode.
What are you talking about?
Oh, it's just a suggestion.
No, I'm not sick. You can't lock me up.
Look, we're just doing this for your own safety.
Wait, please. Boys, please.